machine tools, quality metalworking machinery that you can trust. Here we have a heavy-duty precision gap bed lathe, which is the GML-1640HD with a Sino digital readout and taper attachment installed. It is ISO 9001 certified and has a large 2 1/16 inch spindle bore, a heavy-duty spindle D16, a one-piece solid cast iron machine base, a heavy-duty 6 horsepower industrial motor powered by 220 volts 3-phase, 16 spindle speeds from 45 to 1,800 RPM, 45 variations of inch threads, and 39 variations of metric threads, and a thread chasing dial. In addition, this lathe comes standard with accessories such as a coolant system, 8-inch 3-jaw chuck, 10-inch 4-jaw chuck, 12-inch faceplate, 5.5-inch large steady rest, 2-inch follow rest, 4-way tool post, foot pedal brake, halogen working light, full-length splash guard, and a leveling pad. This lathe is backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts and would make a great addition to any facility or shop. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and has sold thousands of lathes that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have on-site factory tech support as well as a full parts department so you'll never have to worry about production downtime.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.